How to delete Temu account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom, you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of View. Different options will appear. At the top right corner, you will find the settings icon. Click on it. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Click on the option of account security. With that, you will land to the account security page. Now scroll all the way down. At the very bottom, you will see the option of Delete Your TEMU Account. Click on it. Now I can go through the terms and conditions of Temu. Then checking for this option, I want to permanently delete my Temu account, and then click on Continue. Now here you have to give a reason why do you want to delete your Temu account. After you select any of the reason, click on Continue. Click on Continue Deleting. Are you sure you want to delete your account? Click on Delete. In order to delete your Temu account, you have to verify your identity. So go ahead and choose any of these options. I'm going to choose Use Password to verify. Now you can type in your password. After you type in, click on Continue. Successfully requested. Your account has been scheduled for deletion. After completion of 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. Well, this way you can easily delete your Temu account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.